Hi! In this short video I will show you how to create a simple component using the xDesign app on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. We start by accessing my designated X app dashboard where I have placed the various X apps. For this video we will concentrate on the xDesign app. I begin with creating a new component and naming it. From here I will create a 2D sketch of my plate and dimension it. Now I will extrude this sketch to make it 3D by giving it a thickness. This plate needs some holes, so I will create a new sketch on the surface of it. I dimension and place these holes easily using the dimensioning tool. After this, we are ready to cut some holes in our plate using the extrude cut feature. This plate will be part of an assembly down the line, so I finish off by creating a reference plane for future use. Last but not least, we save our component to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and also assign a bookmark to it for easier access later on.